Okay. I still have 1 hour before my next class. Okay, I will answer hypothetical questions from the lesson materials that I have been using for my students at Preply. Because in another language, English learning school, they have their own materials, and we are not allowed to use other materials from other platforms. So, but these are the lesson materials from Engu. So I will answer one of the sets of hypothetical questions from Engu. Okay, these are hypothetical questions about actors. Actors. Okay, let's go to question number one. Let me just move. If given a chance to become an actor, what kind of actor would you like to be? I would like to be an actress or someone like Jennifer Lawrence because I like Jennifer Lawrence. She's so good at giving life to every character she had. Of course, my favorite is Katniss of Hunger Games, and the most recent one, Don't Look Up. Yes, I like Jennifer Lawrence, and I also like Anne Hathaway. Anne has been my favorite since the late 90s, since I was very young. So yeah. What kind of roles would you like to have if you were an actor? I would really love to be a comedian. I don't look like it, but I would love to try comedy and make people laugh. Sometimes I feel like I have a dark sense of humor. Sometimes I feel like I have a good sense of humor. Sometimes I feel like I don't have a sense of humor at all. So maybe I can be a good actor too, but no, that's not in the plans. Which famous movie stars would you like to work with you if you were an actor? Like like the ones I have mentioned, and also I would like to work with Henry Cavill because who doesn't want to work with Henry Cavill? Any female, any member of the female species would like to work with him. And also maybe with Chris Evans, Captain America, and maybe with who else? There's many, but right now, um, because of what's happening, because of the controversies involved in the PDF files, I stopped giving high regards or maybe putting these favorite artists on a pedestal because of what happened. But I admire all of them for their work. If you were an actor and you were offered a well paid role in a terrible movie, would you accept it? Of course, because of the money. If you were an actor, how would you hide from paparazzi? I would wear shades, I would wear a mask, I would wear a hoodie or cover myself and wear a wig, whatever, just cover myself. Would you be able to keep your privacy if you were an actor? It's hard, but I will try. If you had the chance to meet any actor, who would you like to meet? Meryl Streep, because she's Meryl Streep, Jennifer Lawrence, Anne Hathaway, Julia Roberts. Hmm, okay. If you could ask your favorite actor one question, what would you ask? Maybe what do you eat for breakfast? What do you do when you're not on the set filming? Uh, what are your dreams beside acting, beside being famous as celebrities? If you're not famous anymore, what would you do with your life? What else? Would you eat sauteed ampalaya? Would you eat munggo with patis? Would you eat tuyo? Filipino food. If you could go on a date with any movie star, who would you choose? I would definitely choose Henry Cavill because he is Henry Cavill. That's it. 10 questions. 10 hypothetical questions about actors. Okay, see you in the next practice. Goodbye.